Hello my darling, Simone Pichon here, and in this video I'm going to talk about a little bit the new moon in Aries that is happening now on the 12th April 2021. Aries is the initiator, is the number one, is the beginner. This moon has the energies of courage, boldness, strength, fire, passion. So is the energy to remove procrastination, laziness, lethargy, and just do it. Just begin, just start something new. Is the fresh new energies for new beginnings, new actions, so you can accomplish your dreams. So in my case, I work a lot towards purity of the mind, purity of the body, of the emotions, the heart space, the chakras. So this is like my work. And I do fasting once a month, 24 hours fasting, water fasting. So you can try to do any kind of fasting if you can, or like water fasting or juice fasting, or just do like 4 hours or 5 hours, just with the intention, if you cannot do the whole day, to just cleanse and clear the body, purify your energies. When you do fasting, it means like you just turn it off the computer, turn it off the phones, turn it off the noises, external, internal. So it's not only from food, but it's from everything. And now I'm gonna do 30 days fasting. I'm gonna do like once meal in the morning, like a soup or like fruits or something, then the whole day only water, to just cleanse and purify things in the bones, in the blood, in the tissues, muscles. Very, very important, because once you do fasting for the earth as well, because you don't wash lots of vegetables and fruits and food, you don't put things in the bin, you don't have any garbage. So it's a fasting that has lots and lots of consequences and good causes. So it's a very beautiful and very important spiritual practice for purification. And I can tell you from first hand, when I do fasting and I do my Reiki or activations, DNA activations, or any kind of healings, soul healing, aura healing, my healings, they grow very high in energy, and I can feel this in myself. I can feel that I am closer to God. And that's the mission, the purpose of our life in this earth, is to become closer and closer to God during the rituals of purification. So you can extend more your fast, you can extend more your meditations, your prayers, your cleaning, decluttering the house. And also, speaking about that, the message that I'm receiving now from God, the sublime consciousness, is like to remove any statues in your house. For example, Buddha, Holy Mary, the saints, Jesus, because it's important to have the intention and the action to put God, the Most High, number one in your house. So once you remove the statues, doesn't mean you're not gonna be closer to the energies. For example, I love Jesus and I love Saint Germain. Doesn't mean we're gonna stay away from them, but you're gonna put them in a secondary place, which is like the first place. The Aries, the realm, the first one, the leader is only God. So, and doing so, you're going to have more energies, you're going to have more vitality, you're going to have more divine force in your life, in your daily life, in your house, in your daily affairs. So it's very, very important to do more purification via decluttering, via fasting, extended meditations, doing some kind of healing, Reiki, chakras balance. So it's energy that can purify and give you courage to do these things that you couldn't do before because of laziness, because you don't care. So now this energy is going to put you like in a start position. And for this video, I'd like to do like an activation here for the Most High. So I'm just going to activate with the pure light of God. You can just take a deep breath in, exhaling fully, breathing in, exhaling fully. Activation of the golden lights of the divine prime source. Eloah, 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 Elohim, Elohim, Elohim. Adonai, Adonai, Adonai. Cleansing, clearing, purifying, regenerating, restoring, aligning all the chakras of the feet, the chakras of the hands, purifying the spine, from the base of the spine to the base of your skull, the white golden light of the divine, purifying you, your head. Aries is the ruler of the head, so purify now your neurological system, your neurons, purification of your left brain, right brain, amygdala, pineal gland, pituitary gland, vagus nerves, purification of your mind, the higher mind of God, purification of your thoughts, feelings, actions, emotions, restoring. Eloah, 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 El Shalom, Adonai, 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 Most High. Yeshua, 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 Yeshua. God, God, God. The God particles of light now in your aura, chakras, heart, mind, muscles, tissues, cells and DNA. Golden particles of God now. These energies of the new moon in Aries is the energies of the fire, the holy fire, the red flames of God, the Holy Spirit, Shekinah. Activation now of Shekinah in your life, mind, heart. Shekinah purifying your body, purifying your house, your family, your loved ones, purifying everything in your life. So take a deep breath in. And exhale. And so I leave you here my blessings, the holy fire Reiki blessings, this beautiful activation. So you can wear in this new moon red, you can put like red roses, you can buy red flowers, red candles, and just have this intention that I recommended to you, to purification, purify everything, because once you purify, you stay close to the Most High, and that's everything that we want as human beings. Is purification, is devotion, is love and adoration for the Eternal One, Primal Source, Creator. Thank you so much. Lots of love, lots of joy, lots of energy, courage, vitality, strength, boldness. I love you. Take care. See you soon. Bye. Blessings.